once again, CM change politics is at the forefront in Karnataka. DKS camp has declared that the 2.5-year tenure of Chief Minister Siddaramaiah will be ending in November, and then DKS will become the Chief Minister. Meanwhile, BJP has also speculated that Chief Minister will change in November. And Karnataka HM has dismissed all these speculations, claiming that CM Siddaramaiah will be completing the full 5-year tenure and there will be no change in the leadership in the state. Meanwhile, Karnataka Deputy Chief Minister DK Shivakumar also dismissed the speculation about power sharing in the Congress government and warned party members against speaking on this subject. Take a look.
ಅದರಿಂದ ಸಿದ್ದರಾಮಯ್ಯನವರು ಈಗ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳು ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವರು 5 ವರ್ಷ ಅವರೇ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂಥೇಳಿ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅವರೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿಯೂ ಕೂಡ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಹೈಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಇದೆ, ಹೈಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಏನು ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾನು ಒಪ್ಕೊಳ್ತೇನೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ಗಮನಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅವರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಯಾವುದೇ ಕ್ರಾಂತಿ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಹಾಂ, ಕ್ರಾಂತಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಕ್ರಾಂತಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಶಾಂತಿ. ಗಾಂಧಿ ಜಯಂತಿ ದಿವಸ ನೀವು ಶಾಂತಿ ಹೇಳಬೇಕವೇನೆ, ಕ್ರಾಂತಿ ಹೇಳಬಾರ್ದು.
100% in November CM is changed. No, I don't know. DK Shivakumar or Parameshwar, Jarkiwali, anybody can have it. Lottery CM.
Sir, Cold War between CM and
Siddaramaiah will go 100%. This is the fight between in the Congress party. 100% Cold War is going in the Congress party.
Sir, it's damaging Karnataka development.
100% there is no development in Karnataka. Only connection, only power sharing. That is Karnataka Congress party, power sharing Congress party.